guys, how are you? I think you are doing well. So in this video I am going to show you how can you get messenger bubble option. You can see my messenger bubble option. So how can you get? So before starting the video I ask you for something. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. You have to go first Play Store. You can see here I am on Play Store. From Play Store you have to search here messenger. You can see messenger, you have to search and you have to make sure your messenger updated. Then after updating your messenger you have to minimize it and you have to go settings, your phone settings. You can see here I am on my phone settings. From here you have to search app manager. You can see app manager. From app manager you have to get app list. You can see app list and you have to get from here messenger. You can see here messenger. From messenger you have to click here storage and cache and you have to clear storage and caches. Then you have to minimize it and you have to clear all from here. And then you have to go messenger. You can see here messenger. Then you have to log into your Facebook account. You can see here I am logging and you have to click here not now, then OK. Then you have to click here OK. Then you can see here 3 line. You have to click here 3 line. From here you have to click here settings. From settings you have to scroll down. Then you can see chat heads. You can see here chat says. You have to click here turn on. You can see here chat heads. You have to click here turn on and you have to go back from here and you have to can see here start a conversation chat heads active. So you have to click here. You can see your chat heads or your messenger bubbles is opened. So now from here send anyone a message, then minimize it. You can see here bubble is pop up. So this is the process of getting messenger bubbles. So this is today's video. If you have any inquiry related to the video you can ask me in my comment box, and also I provided my Facebook link in description box. You can connect with me in my Facebook. Thank you so much.